Natatawa ako, nag-coffee ako. Di ba pag nananervyos ka, huwag ka raw magkakape. Pero ako baliktad po. Pampakalma ko ang kape.
Wait, namaya ka na mag-share.
Ay, sorry po, madali po talaga akong tao.
8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, anytime.
Good afternoon, mga kapamilya. We're still live here sa ABS-CBN, but this time we're here at Studio 4 for a very exciting media conference. We all just witnessed the Kapamilya Forever Born to Shine network and management contract signing of one of the brightest actresses here on the Kapamilya Network. Of course, Belle Mariano. Pero mamaya, makakachika natin siya. Don't forget to use our official hashtag, #KapamilyaForever. Belle, lalo na po yung mga nanonood sa atin ngayon sa official Facebook and YouTube pages ng ABS-CBN Entertainment and Star Magic. Okay, please welcome. Hindi ko na patatagalin because the cameras are ready, the lights are on. Belle Mariano!
Hi again.
Kamusta ang nagkape?
Okay, ano na
Okay,
siya?
short story. Go ahead.
Ayun nga, I was saying earlier kasi, di ba, minsan pag nagko-coffee tayo, naninervyos tayo, we get all jittery. Pero baliktad po, kumakalpa ako pag nakakape.
Talaga?
Oo, hindi ko alam ba.
So, kalmado ka now?
That's why I love coffee, yes.
Kalmado na to, ha?
Yes.
Pero mataas ang energy.
Yes. Kalmado ako pag mataas.
I know. How was that experience, signing, renewing your contract with ABS-CBN and Star Magic?
Sobrang nakakatuwa, syempre. It's really something that I'm really looking forward to, and I feel like this just solidifies that I am a Kapamilya forever.
Parang, na-imagine mo, siguro nung bata ka, na-imagine mo na yun na, nagka-practice ka na pumipirma ng kontrata.
Practice ko yung signature ko na
Ay,
yung
oo?
Hindi, joke ko lang.
Alam mo kasi may bilin si Tita Malu.
Ano po yun?
Santos, parang sabi niya, kapag pipirma ka daw, dapat yung pinakadulo, pataas. Para it's swerte.
Tama ba? Pataas
Oo,
naman.
pataas.
Sige po,
Parang
tagawin
Belle
mo.
Mariano. Mataas naman. Ayun,
Yes.
mataas naman, di ba? Saka, tama ba ako? This is your first time signing?
Yes.
Whoa!
Yes po.
So I'm sure yung feelings mo niyan, parang,
Nag-flashback kanina. Actually, we were on standby kanina sa dressing room. Tapos sabi ko, yung dressing room na yun yung dressing room ko nung going bulilit ako. We were literally beside Studio 5. Tapos doon kami nag-going. So medyo nagpa-flashback lahat sa akin today. All throughout the 14 years. Sabi ko, parang bumabalik po ako sa from going bulilit, Lorenzo's time, Provinciano, and then he's into her. Parang bits and pieces of those memories are slowly coming back to me today.
Right.
So it's really, it's really what a day for me, and sobrang kakataba ng puso po.
is that the reason why kanina hindi mo na napagilang maging emotional?
Yes! Actually, nung VTR pa lang, sabi ko kay hindi ako iiyak. I was telling sina Tita Cory. Sabi Tita Cory, hindi po tayo, iiyak ka. And then I saw my mom. She was literally in the center. Sabi ko, hala, dun pa talaga pumesto si mommy. Iyak talaga ako nito. Pero syempre po, it's really something that I've been looking forward to after 14 years. And yun nga, nakakatuwa kasi these amazing bosses, and these my fellow ABS-CBN artists, everyone, and I saw their messages, talagang nakakataba ng puso kasi they're all very supportive.
Saka, meron bang kasamang rin yun? Sort of pressure? Di ba? Parang minsan pag pumirma ka, oh my God, expectations are high. Parang may ganun. O wala lang. Parang you're just floating on air.
Earlier, I was really just getting a grasp of everything. I was enjoying. I was in the moment talaga. Kasi it's something that I looked forward to.
Right. Siguro curious na kaming malaman, ano ba yung mga gagawin ni Belle? What are the projects lined up for you? Ano yung mga pwede mo nang i-share?
Ay, meet, greet, and buy, of
Of course! You started with that already.
Yes, we're currently shooting. Hindi ko po alam, pwede na po masabihin yung iba. Yeah. Oh, yes! I'm gonna be releasing an album. So, abangan niyo po yan. I won't get into details kasi kilala niyo naman po ako. Lagi po ako nagsispoil kapag nagsasalita ako.
So it's an album?
Yeah, an album. So, that we can look forward to. And definitely, there's gonna be something... Ate, pwede ba sabihin?
Ako na magtatanong.
Ako?
Ikaw tatanong ko na. Is there a birthday concert?
Yes po. Pwede, yes po. Yes po. So, abangan natin yan.
No, naalala ko, that's why I asked that. Ang ganda ng birthday concert last year.
Oh, yes!
Di ba, remember?
Yeah!
Tapos parang nagkaroon pa tayo ng parang meet and greet.
Yeah, after.
Tapos no phones.
Yes.
Super fun.
We went around. We
Yes.
really, we really made the time to get to know one another.
Right. Sana ulitin mo yun, yung ganong format.
Yeah, it's really
Na
nice,
walang phone, di ba?
Yeah. We'll make it, greater this time. Mas
Oh,
maganda, syempre.
love it. Okay, simulan na natin yung ating Q&A. We have questions from the press na gusto nilang itanong sa'yo. Mula kay Juno Reyes of Rappler. Juno, are you here? Ayun, si Juno.
Hello po.
Now that you're over a decade, parang lakas matanda, no? Over a
Kaya nga
decade.
po, sabi ko kanina, grabe naman yung
Ano, officially, anong year?
14.
2014.
What year I started? 2011. So,
Tama, 14 years.
14 years.
Tanda ka na.
Uy! Grabe naman!
Okay, now that you're over a decade into your showbiz career, what new roles or challenges would you like to take on?
Actually, there's still a lot that I wanna do. I wanna learn more, of course. Ang dami-dami ko pang tatahakin, dami-dami ko pang gustong matutunan. And I would say, ang dami ko pang gustong gawing roles. I've never done anything na, yun nga, something like Bida Contra Bida, which I've mentioned, horror. So that's something that I wanna do. I won't limit myself po kasi into something na I want to learn talaga and grow and I wanna challenge myself nga.
Ako nga, one of your most recents lang, yung Incognito. Grabe, kahit
Yes.
short stint lang yun, no? Kasi it's so different.
Yes. Actually, that was really challenging. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Kasi after ng shoot, 3 days, parang masasabi mo na, oh my gosh, I can't believe na nagawa ko yun.
Right.
And I think that's the beauty of acting. You get to be different. You get to portray different characters and roles. And
Right.
after you do those characters and roles, you get to learn from them as well. So,
I know right now you're still, you're in the process or in the middle of still nurturing and talagang developing your actress, no? The actress in you.
Yes.
Pero you're also singing at the same time, performing, di ba? Nag-host ka din sa ASAP. If I put you on the spot and ask you right now, acting, hosting, singing, ano mas matimbang?
oh my gosh. Ang hirap naman pong i-weigh. Pero maybe on top, acting.
Of course.
Because I started talaga with acting.
Right.
Yeah, and then music kasi I fell in love with music more as I slowly started writing my own music.
Parang may creative juices na
Yes,
lumalabas.
dun ko po ako na-in love sa craft for music. And then hosting,
Right.
which I'm slowly learning, of course. I'm taking advices from the great ones, of course, Robbie Domingo. Yeah.
Right. Exciting. Okay, thank you, Juno, for your question.
Thank you po.
We go now to Bix Almacen, right here in front of us.
Hello po.
On the first row, how would you describe your journey as a kapamilya? Siguro in a word. How do you describe it?
In a word? Growth.
Okay.
Maybe that. I would say that it's growth because all throughout the years, what I really went through, like there are times na magiging mahirap talaga. There are times na you'll fall and may times talaga na mapanghinaan ka ng loob. But then you rise above it. So it makes you a stronger person. And I think those experiences molded me into who I am today. So I would say it's growth. Being a kapamilya for me is growth. And I'm so grateful to be in this family, of course.
Thank you, candidate number 1.
Huh?
Ay, beauty pageant. Galing na sagot di ba?
Grabe naman.
Parang concise na concise. Thank you, Bix, sa question mo. Mula kay Nina from Cinema One. Nina's right over there in the middle.
Hello po.
From being a talented actress and singer, what more can your supporters expect from you? Are you ready to explore more of who Bel Mariano is beyond the screen and stage? So baka Nina's kind of asking, do you want to explore writing or producing or directing?
Of course. You know, yun nga po, like, I appreciate what we do in front of the camera, but also what happens behind the camera. And that's one thing that I also want to venture in, hopefully in the future. Syempre, pag if I'm equipped with the right tools na, and I can be available for that type of, kasi syempre, iba yung stress dito, iba naman yung stress dun. So, syempre, we have to equip ourselves with the right tools. And I'm so happy kasi even on set, we learn from them. I learned from Direk, I learned from our DOP, I learned from the people behind the camera. And what they do is something that I really appreciate. And I look up to them because it really takes a village to create something so beautiful. So, I really want to venture. I want to try writing too. Yun nga po, in terms of music, yun yung problem. Kunento kanina. Pero, magaling ako magsimula ng music. Pero napapansin ko, yung struggle ko is how to end it. Yes. But I'm so happy kasi nga, I encounter so many amazing composers, so many amazing writers that I take advices from them and I apply it to what I'm doing. So, we'll see, hopefully in the future.
I can see Mommy right here. Mommy Kat is right
andyan
over
pala
there.
si Mommy.
I know. Si Mommy, ikaw na lang magsalita kasi hindi ko may interview yan unless umupo siya dito sa harapan natin. Anong naging reaction ni Mommy Kat pag nakikita niya yung mga projects mo, big projects that come your way? Ano yung...
Mommy, anong reaction mo daw?
Lalapitan ko na lang ba? Lalapitan ko na lang ba si Mommy? Sige, lapitan lang natin. Mami, dali na. Ano naman, minsan lang itong chikahan na to. Tayo-tayo lang naman.
Tayo lang to mo.
Wala mga tao dyan. Ano yan, mga yan? Mga manikin lang. Ay! Ayan na. Nalaglag na ang telepono. Pahawak muna yan.
Mom, what would you say? Joke lang.
So, ano reaction mo, Mami Kat? Pag naririnig mo na, Belle's going to do this project, tapos doing an album, then a concert.
Of course, I'm very proud of her. Nakakataba ng puso.
No-overwhelm ka.
Sometimes, yeah, sa schedule niya, na-overwhelm ako.
Pero nagugulat ka na now na, ito na, may big contract signing yung anak ko. May ganun ka na.
Yes, of course. And I'm very happy for her.
Pero do you still get to give her reminders? Because parang may sarili na ring isip si Belle, no? She gets to decide on her own, on projects to accept. Pero paano pa rin to make sure na you're still there reminding her of some of the important things in life?
Syempre, lagi ko siya remind na always be grounded. And yun lang.
The family keeps her grounded, no?
Yes.
Thank you, Mommy, Salamat.
Thanks, Mom.
So, ang lamig ng kamay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Mommy, umalis na tulog.
Hoy, hindi po scripted yun. Sobrang unscripted po. Ayan, umexit
Thank you,
tuloy.
Mom.
Walk out ng Studio 4. Ano na?
First time din siyang ma-interview.
First time din ma-interview.
na, Mom.
Ay, thank you. At least, diba?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
it's her birthday, so happy birthday,
Oh,
Mom.
hindi man lang namin nakantahan.
Bukas pa actually.
Ay, bukas pa. Asa lang,
Happy
ano?
birthday, Mom.
Asa lang papansit? Bel, ano to?
Ay, may padonkey po
Kakapirma
tayo
mo lang,
dyan.
walang papansit dito.
Ay, sorry po. Handa na daw tayo. Joke lang.
Okay, next question is from Danielle. Danielle, say hi to Belle. Ayan.
Hi po, Daniel.
How was your experience working with Piolo, JK, Joshua, and the Diamond Star on the set of Meet, Greet, and Bite?
Wow.
Nabisita ko na yan sila, Belle.
Yeah, ang saya, right? Sobrang saya ng set namin, totoo lang. Para talaga kaming naging pamilya. Na parang even on and off kami, alam mo, hindi kami mapapaghiwalay. I mean, when we first met each other, of course, there was, kinakabahan ako, of course, it's the Diamond Star, it's Papa P, like, Joshua, JK, they're so good at what they do. And parang, they inspire me to want to do better in what I do, even on set. And I'm so happy kasi more than just friends, we actually became a family na.
Did you have a hard time fitting in? Or there was no hard time at all?
Of course there was, pero Derek was really guiding us talaga eh. Kasi I want to differentiate my character now from the previous ones that I've done.
Okay.
And plus, panganay po ko sa magkakapatid. And I play a bunso here.
So, baliktad.
So, baliktad talaga. So, sabi ko, paano ba maging bunso? So, parang, minsan, in-observe ko rin yung bata kong kapatid, paano siya maging bunso, plus, unika iha nga. So, parang ibang-iba talaga yung dynamic. And, the Rex just there guiding me. I take pointers from her. Si Inay, she's so kind. I love her. I love Inay so much because I did my first scene with her, which kaming dalawa lang. Siyempre, nakaka-pressure yun.
Take one.
Hindi ko may mga takes, syempre. Pero kinabahan ako noon. Sabi ko, hala, paano yun? Pero si Inay, she's so... Grabe yung pag-advise niya sa akin. Talagang naging nanay talaga siya sa akin. Sabi niya, anak, hinga ka ng malalim, tapos i-deliver mo yung line mo.
Right.
Tingnan mo, mas tatagos yung pag-deliver mo ng line mo. Tapos sabi ko, trinay ko, sabi ni Direk, okay na yun. Let's go, move on. Tapos sabi ko, wow, ganun pala. It's so nice to be able to work with these amazing actors.
Would you say that this movie that you're doing is career-changing acting-wise?
Yes. I feel like this one, since it's far different from the previous ones I've done, like, yun nga, it's my first project naman outside of a love team. Siyempre may takot at first kasi nga I'm so used to working with Donnie and I love working with Donnie. So parang
You love what?
grabe naman.
Nabingi lang ako ng konti. Ito naman. Oh, go na.
Ayun, syempre may kaba. May kaba. Pero at the same time, parang sabi ko, wow, this is something new. This is something that, you know, I want to grow. And I'm always open to growth. And I'm always open to learning more. And both of us have been vocal about it. Now we're always there to actually just support each other and, you know, champion each other in terms of our growth, whether that's with each other or, you know, apart from each other.
Saka it's time. Diba? It's time to, you know, kind of spread the wings. Diba? Kahit
Yes.
paano. Para at least nga, tama ka, your favorite word is growth.
Yes,
Diba?
growth.
Next question is from Neil Ramos of Tempo. Where do you see yourself? Don't worry, hindi siya malayo. 2 years from now.
But 2 years.
I know, right? Actually, tinanong ko kanina. Ba't kaya
But 2 years po
Hindi man
kaya.
lang 5 years or something.
2 years.
So 2 years, you'll be what then?
25.
Still young?
But 2 years
2
po.
years lang, Roldan eh, no?
Maiba lang.
Hindi man lang
Maiba.
5, di ba? 2 years.
Oh, bakit po 2 years?
Asa ba si Neil? Wala si Neil? Wala si Neil.
2 years?
Silverman, 25. Oh, 25.
So parang quarter life.
Milestone.
No, quarter life. Yeah, that makes sense now.
Siguro I'll be doing more roles that is really gonna challenge me as an actress. Maybe that time I may have written, you know, a couple songs na talaga. I don't know what's gonna happen in 2 years.
Weird question. Actress, sabi mo.
Yes.
Paano pag ni-require na kalbuhin ka?
Grabe naman.
Natalie Portman.
Yeah, may ganun.
Right?
Yes.
Kalbuhin? Oh my God.
Hindi, ganun challenge lang. Parang, kasi, di ba, minsan may mga roles talaga na,
Yes.
"Ugh."
I mean, I think the beauty of acting nga is that like you get to portray different roles and even if it takes you to that challenge
Level, di ba?
you really have to submit to
I
it.
know.
Yeah, and that's the beauty of it. Yun nga yung challenge na sinasabi ko. Pero hindi ko kaya magpaalam
I
sa hair.
know!
I love my hair.
Huwag muna. Love na ng sunsilk.
Yes.
Di ba? Naisingit na. Okay, I think that's it. That wraps up our question from our friends from
Thank
the
you
press.
so much po.
Maraming salamat po. Again, congratulations,
Thank
Belle,
you.
on this new milestone. I'm sure more blessings will come your way and siguro hingan ka na lang namin ng iyong message for your fans because right now they're nakatutok sa ating live stream and sharing their love for you. Please.
Hello po to everyone that's watching us, to all my supporters. Thank you so much. I can't thank you guys enough and I dedicate all the years to you guys. Thank you so much because you guys are one of my greatest inspiration why I do what I love doing and thank you so much for being a reason for me to want to do better. And I love you guys all so much.
Okay, last question. Ano naman, go sa mga last question.
Yes.
Kanina, I love working with Donnie. Gumanong ka, di ba? Pwede namang like yung gamitin na word, pero bakit love?
Bakit? Wala yun doon.
Wala sa script.
Of course.
Because
I really-
that word defines that kind of working relationship you have with him.
I think, because we already have that dynamic talaga on set. It really feels nice to work with him and yun nga, throughout, we get to witness each other's growth too.
Right.
And that's something I love. I love to grow with him too. I love to venture and, nakaka-proud kasi we started Donbell, 5 years ago?
Yes.
And then now, he's doing a project with Kyle and now I'm doing this project naman with Sina Papa P. And nakakatuwa, syempre. And I will always treasure what we do together.
Right. And we can't wait to see more of what you will offer. Ngayon nakapirma ka ulit
Thank you.
with ABS-CBN and Star Magic. Palakpakan natin. Belle Mariano,
Thank you so
maraming
much
salamat.
po.
Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. This has been MJ Felipe and enjoy the rest of your day. Love you, Belle!
Hindi, nasa 2 years. Siguro po.
That makes a lot of sense. That it's 25, you're 25th. So it's quarter life. Tama yun.
still don't feel.
I went through that.
How
But
does it feel to be 25?
it feels good. It's
Hindi ko nakakawala kayo Photo ka muna sa gitna. Kalay pa. Ayaw na matanggal yung mic. Kakaganon pa rin, automatic.
Ano pong feeling? Nice break po, suyo lang po. Solo lang po.
Crazy.
Really? When you're patrol standby po for ano? Doon na lang. Okay. Here po. Gusto mo ito background.
One more.
Bell here, please. Bell here. Thank you. Here, Bell. Bell here. Wait lang, wait.
Hindi na po ako Bell Maria. Bell here na po.
Bell here. Bell.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you guys.
Hindi mo yata kinunan, ulo lang yata. Dito.
Hindi, naka-solo nga, hindi na nga siya binigit.